Patane, street沙梨头街. Rua do Patane, old streets of Macau. Going down Patane, walking down Patane, just going down Patane. Ooh, those damn beautiful streets of Macau. Ooh, at the Patane. Ooh, at the Patane. Going down Rua do Patane. Oh, just going down Rua do Patane. Ooh, just going down Rua do Patane.
Okay, we're in a street called Patane Street, so that's our name of our street. We're going to be walking down that way. We also have some kind of cool little interesting stuff all along the way here, so we're going to capture some of that as well. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Before we go down it, this is the context, so we're kind of coming along. I think this is, Pedro Street, and then there's Pedro right there. So there's kind of a mix of different stuff. But we're going to be going down Patane. That's kind of cool as well. So stay tuned, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to be walking down this little Patane Street. Before we go up, there's some kind of interesting stuff all the way around in here. Just kind of give you some context. So Patane is named after a Patane village, and then it kind of goes, there used to be a commercial park right here, so a little village used to come up all along the side. So so this little Beco probably would have went up into the hills like a lot of these other ones. And then Patane village was like a little fishing village that was along the ocean, but now it's all reclaimed. A lot of it is like reclaimed land, so it's all kind of extended out, and it's all different because the reclamation plans were quite a long time ago. So not too long ago I did film in this area. Just like these, I think this rock probably would have been, maybe the ocean would have came up to that as well. Boa Vida up there. So, okay, and you can kind of see, so up these hills a little bit, there's this little Patane fishing village would have went against the ocean, and all this stuff would have been reclaimed land. So all these buildings had such a different look than a fishing village because they would have been built on a different type of foundation. It used to be, was part of the ocean, and I believe that yeah, now you can see more of the waterfront. So okay, so we're gonna walk down. I think the Patane village, the heart of it, I think was behind us more, and then I'm not exactly sure how this spot was at a long time ago. I mean, it feels like to the right feels a little bit different than what's to the left. So I kind of think that everything to the left would have been on the ocean in some way. And then this, yeah, this narrow little lane used to be, this used to have like a guy that would hang out here. Check out that, that's for tourists right there. Used to be a guy that would hang out, this guy that was living here that had maybe a mental illness or mentally challenged of some kind. He used to always just poke his head out the door, like constantly just kind of looking to see. I don't see him today. I used to see him like every single time I would come up in this area. Before we get too far away, this is where we just came from, just to get some context. So yeah, I think this would have been all Patane village side, especially down that way along the other corner down that Pedro Street. And then all that stuff would have been on reclaimed land. I'm pretty sure is how it. And everything to the right, these little houses to the right, I think, I don't know their history exactly, but yeah, so up there, that wall is where Camoish Park is at, and just on the other side of that, there's like Casa Garden, which would overlook some of this. Casa Garden is kind of a beautiful place inside of Camoish Park. And yeah, this little street would hug the side of it. And if we really wanted to, we could probably, I don't think I will, but there's a little temple right here. It's really nice. And there's the Camoish Park. I think that right on the other side of this, I think is the Protestant cemetery, which would be the Morrison Church. There's this, historically, Macau was Catholic, of course, and then a lot of other Europeans came, like British, and one of them, his name was Morrison, and Morrison would have, you know, been not Catholic, so the non-Catholics couldn't be buried in the Catholic cemeteries because they were Protestant. They weren't the same religion exactly. So because of that, they had their own cemetery, and I'm pretty sure the cemetery is right on the other side of this wall right here. So that, I think that's the Morrison Cemetery, and then the Camoish Park would be up there. We're gonna keep on walking down. It's kind of a beautiful street right here, because I mean a beautiful corner, because you have the beauty of that. Buildings, kind of blocky looking buildings. And the beauty of this one too. Cars really fly around there fast, don't they? Okay. So we're going to continue walking up our Patane Street. There we go. You see all the beauty of Patane. And I think I'm going to try to capture that street sign as well. So yeah, now you can see the Camoish up that way as well. I'm also going to try to... Hello. Yeah.
What is it?
So Patane Street, and then that's Camoish.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
I think Camoish Garden.
And which Camoish?
Camoish?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Portuguese.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Where
from?
United States.
United States.
Yeah.
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 I live in 2 years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. United New York and the city so many water.
Oh okay.
I hear. I forget the name.
Oh.
New York and San Francisco.
Oh yeah.
Possibly and you know the possibly Charlie
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He was in San Francisco.
Seattle.
Oh Seattle. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was in Seattle.
And, DC.
That sounds good.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. And that's the name right there. So it's called Patane. So I'll just capture that street sign. So pretty cool. Huh. There's a little Beco right here. I never there's a little Beco right in here. I'm gonna just walk down it and just kind of see, because I always want to capture all the different streets, and I don't think I've ever seen this one. This is basically just a little street with all the restaurants. So I'm trying to like capture all the different streets in Macau. Check that out. So I'm going to include that one in my Patane. This is the kind of fish restaurants. Beco de Roseira as well. Oops. Oh. Somebody actually went up that alley. And then this one you can actually go towards Camoish Park up that way. So you can kind of see it up there. Okay, so let me go like this. I kind of want to get on the other side of the street because there's all these cars. There's all these other little side streets too that I just don't. I could do Zapato. Okay, I'm gonna keep on going. Okay. More of this area. So let's go all the way up to the top. I think that's the guy that was from San Francisco, that lived in Seattle and San Francisco and New York. Rua de Patane. Okay. Hello. So I'm gonna capture the street sign right there. Rua de Patane. Then at the base of it, we have this. And then if we walked up a little bit further, which I might do just to give context to everything, it wouldn't take me very long to do it. So I think I will do that. Basically these little ones, if we went all the way up to the top, we could overlook. And then our park is going to be around the corner. Let me just go up. The entrance to the park is down a little bit, but I just want to give all the context to this Patane street that we were walking down. And then I was kind of referencing the park. Kamoish would be over this wall, so on the other side would be the can't quite see it. So we're gonna walk down a little bit, and then right on the other side is like the Protestant cemetery. That'll all make sense in a few minutes. So yeah, right there. So we got Casa Garden. Okay. It's really bright. I feel like I'm making this video a little bit longer than I should because I'm supposed to be focusing on Rua de Patane, but I'll just give you the full context of it. There you go. So that's the park, Kamoish Park. That's the Casa Garden. And then here is the Morrison Temple. And we just kind of walk down that way. This is where all the Protestants were, that's where the Morrison Church, named after the minister Robert Morrison. And we walked down this way. This would be the Protestant cemetery. Right there. So we walked along that wall all the way down, so we would have been kind of following, and this cemetery is just at the corner, kind of at the end. Anyways, this video is a lot longer than, and you can see all kinds of really interesting stuff in here. And I have filmed in here before, but I'm not going to now. I don't want to make the video longer than it has to be. But basically that tiny village, we walked along the wall there. So we're going to end the video right here.